This was once our passage, and as kids we spent a lot of time here. It was a shortcut to win the race, home to the bogeyman, was a bumpy challenge rollerblading through. The passage even contained ingredients for potions and perfumes, and it was the backdrop to many videos. But sadly now it's just home to overgrown weeds. This video is about how I first got into photography and the story of the passage photos. It all started in 2005, where I had an impromptu photo shoot with a childhood best friend. Inspired by teen magazines and my favourite celebs, I liked the idea of taking pictures. So I was the photographer and my friend was the model. We had lots of outfit changes, we had the white wall as the backdrop, we even had a fan to get those gorgeous hair flick shots. I mean, I was taking pictures worthy of Teen Vogue magazine. Towards the end of our studio session, I gained a few more models. The photo shoot was something different and it got people interested. With the increase of numbers, we took the photo shoot outside and the passage became our location backdrop. A photo in particular was taken that day of all 4 friends. And as soon as I edited the image into black and white and made it look all old and vintage looking through the eyes of my 14-year-old self, of course, that was it. My future career was decided. I was going to be a photographer. A lot has happened since 2005. Over the years, we've all grown in height and in characters. We've moved away, travelled, got jobs, made mistakes, graduated, changed interests, and drifted apart. I remember never really liking this picture in colour. The cobbles made me want to instantly turn the picture into black and white. I like to say I took the photo on a really old 35mm camera, but I didn't. I took the photo on my dad's Fuji FinePix 3.2 megapixel camera. On the left we have Jack, who's aged 10, and Caitlin, aged 9. And on the right there's Megan, aged 6, who's Caitlin's younger sister, and Craig, who's also 9 and my brother. In 2008, while studying photography at college, I grew very fond of documentary photography, especially great black and white photographers like Robert Frank, Diane Arbus and Ouija. It had been 3 years since the day of the passage photo shoot, and I thought it would be fun to make a comparison photograph. Everyone was up for it, and an ongoing project was born. 2011 was the year that this photo was taken, and I think time became the main subject throughout these images. The fear of time passing too quickly is something I think we can all relate to. I think the passage images sums time up quite well. As the images progress, time speeds up, and the 3-year gap to do the next photo seems to get smaller each time. Now as estranged friends, we still continue to meet. We resume into our positions we had been in 3 years previous and 3 years before that. Everyone is so grown up, and I have to increase the height on my tripod as I'm now the smallest of the group. Our childhood memories pop into my head as I frame everyone into shot. It's 2014 and there's plenty to catch up on, but where do you really start when we're so out of the loop on each other's lives? For me, these images don't only represent time, but a childhood friendship too. 2017 means it's the 5th photo of the series, and I'm glad we're still able to meet up for these photographs, even if it is for a brief moment. I read recently that every 7 years we lose half of our friends, whether we outgrow them, fall out with them, or just lose contact. The passage acts as a kind of time capsule. Once we're all there for the next picture, it's as if no time has passed. But time outside the passage continues, and once I have the shot, we all go our separate ways. Until we meet again in 3 years' time.